Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website to view our current inventory. This is a 2007 Range Rover Sport Supercharged. It's frost white with black leather interior. Has the 20-inch optional wheels. The Supercharged has a different grill, a little more aggressive looking grill. The body's exceptional. There's no dings or scratches. Has rear backup sensors. There's a look at the dual exhaust. Give you a look at the inside. It's power moonroof. Heated seats. Has automatic climate control. Factory navigation. Satellite radio. Rain sensing wipers. The windshield has a built-in defroster. That's an electric defroster in the windshield. It's got the real dark wood trim. Power seats on both sides. It's 3-position memory on the driver's side. It has rear entertainment screens and headrests. The headliner's in very nice condition. White's a very nice color on these Range Rover Sports. It really accents the body lines. We had new rear brake pads. Brand new front rotors and pads, and the lower control arm bushings, which is a common maintenance item on these. So it drives excellent, runs excellent, and it looks fantastic. Give us a call and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.